Hi everyone. So before going into the code, I will try to I want to explain you the building blocks and their how we are connected to all of them. NestJS we use basically to build the APIs. So you send HTTP request that goes to middleware. So that is the first entry point is the middleware. Then guards, then interceptor, then pipes. I think I have already shown you this thing. We have middleware, guards, interceptors, pipes, controller, and then exception filter. The same thing I'm trying to show here. Pipes, we will talk about all those things individually. What is controller, what it is doing, what is pipe, what is interceptor, what is middleware. And then from service, it will get the logic. From repository, which is the DAO layer, get the data. Data will be passed to the interceptor. Interceptor will either handle errors or reformat the message. Exception filter will handle the exceptions and give you the response. So this request flow is really very important to understand how NestJS different building blocks and their responsibilities works together. This is how it can be explained. Middleware, middleware can be used for authentication or you can log the request, okay? You can check the headers. Guards can be used for authentication check. Then you interceptors to intercept any particular attributes, you can start timer. Pipes, validation pipe will check the request. Controller will handle the request. Services will handle the logic and return the data. And repositories or DAO layer will query the database. Response will be sent back. Response, it will send a JSON. Exception filter will handle the errors, reformat them in a proper response message. Interceptor will transform the response. A controller will return the response back to the service. So all these things have their own role in the whole structure, like middleware, request processing, logging, all those things. This is the first entry point. Guard, I mean, I use middleware also for authentication, authorization. That is fine. The guard is entry point before you reach after middleware. If you are hitting a particular route, we can check, okay, that only admin users can access this API. Guards are the best thing for that. Interceptor, request transformation, you wanted to change the payload. That is what interceptor does. Pipes, validation pipes in a and different type of validation pipes that does the data transformation inside the request. Controller, route handling, request coordination, delegating the request to the service. Service will deal with the data access, means DAO layer, which will fetch data, update data, and all those things. So this is how the whole life cycle works with the NestJS.